on the Eastern Shore Bridge. It's about a 25-minute drive. We're going to the Eastern Shore, Kiptopeke. We're going to the state park. We're gonna go to this beach. Hopefully it's not crowded. The kids are gonna go fishing and search for hermit crabs. My little fisherman out here today.
I'm a girl though.
Him. He's been talking about fish, 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 fish. You're his assistant. Got him the little bags off Amazon. Has our fishing poles and tackle and buckets and nets. And here we are. Not crowded, just like I like it. Yay!
Yeah, she really did.
Look at my babies. Look at my booger butt right here. Who's here, Jaden? Do you see who came to see us? Who is that? Is that Mommy? It's Jessica and Celia. Oh, he's excited now. Watch them hooks. Go over there. Jaja's here. Yay. Oh, they having a good time. You can go in, Jaja. You're okay. Those two are determined to catch something. Japers is ready to go to the beach on the other side.
Y'all see it?
They caught a Hermie. He's a big one too.
I don't know how to re-catch him. He's too nuts, so.
Jaden is having fun, but he wants me to go out there with him. We need to go to the other side where the beach part is. JC Pooh caught another one. Yay! Here, put him in your bucket. We gotta put some water in here too. Beach day. Fishing, swimming, hermit crab collecting with my babies. Jessica and Jasmine. Show them how to do it, JC Pooh. There you go. Now Jaja is going to do it. Big brother's not having that. He's coming to take it. Get it, Jaja. Get that fish. He said his stepdaddy's dad did.
Your dad's dad?
And she's flipping at the beach. Girl, get your fishing pole and fish. Ooh, look at her castaway. Cha-Cha's having fun. Baby?
Do you know how to make it longer or could be done? Hey, I'm gonna do that.
We need help. Yeah, that's a funny net. I'm glad you're trying. My big boy. Jada's fishing. Jessica's fishing. See what Celia caught. Oh, yeah, lots of shells and oysters. Oh, good job.
Yeah, it's good.
He fell down and has to wash his hand. He hates to be dirty. Dang, they're still just knee deep. And they're all the way out there. Eastern Shore, Kiptopeke. Kiptopeke.
Mommy.
I think this beach was worth that scary bridge drive. Waves are very nice. No big crowds. Yay! Lots of space. Jaden's having fun. Even got Jasmine out here. Can you believe it? Zooming on her. Where is she? There. Walking up here. Come on, Jaja! So we got a low tide right now. Go swim in the water. Go swim. This is what I brought her to do. Sit under the umbrella and drink some stupid wine.
And it's about to be amazing in the ice.
She let him drown twice at the pool. My baby. He's waiting for all of us to come out there. And there's those 3 are in the sand. Is finally in the water. She hates the water. She used to love it as a kid though. Our baby's dug a big old hole.
It's a pool.
Oh, it's a pool. Okay. Middle of the day, and this is all of the people that are here. Yay! So quiet and not congested. You don't have to pay. Well, yeah, you do gotta pay like $7 for parking, but this is the beach. Got fishing pier over there where you can fish crab, get hermit crabs. Over here is just for kayaking, raft, swimming. I think I'm gonna get a kayak. Jada caught me a big old hermit crab. Yay! Thank you, Jada Tater. Mom's put her hand on it and it scared me and I ran and you caught it. Yay! Hey, we got beach toys right when we're about to go.
Oh, we paid $30. Who's thinking?
Let me see you go out there, JC Poo. Where you going? Take the shoes off. Get the ball, Jaden. Get the ball, buddy. Get the ball. We need help. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, blue. Okay, Ma's coming. Okay, here I come. Get my baby in a raft. He never gets in there. Look at him having so much fun. Go, Jada, go! Look at you! Big boy! Jaja, what you got? You got a big old ball bigger than you. That ball's bigger than you. Look at my baby. You're scared of the hermit crab? Oh my goodness, we're gonna let him go. There you go, buddy. There you go. Oop. We had a lot of them.
I caught most of them.
You did. I think they're just silliest. Oh, here's a little one. And there's a little one.
And there's another one.
Oh, another little one. There you go, buddy. Okay, that's it. Now we'll watch them crawl back in. Nope, those 2 are gone.
Are those 2 dead?
No, they're not dead. They're just trying to see if they're safe or not before they come out. Hermit crabs. That's why when people are like, you're a hermit, you never come out of the house. Because they don't come out with a group of people or a group of things around them. They like to be alone. You're home, guys. But it's moving. He's green walk. I wanted them to walk down the rock so I could get a good video of them, but I guess they're not going to. Whoop! Oh, no, not yet, not yet. I want to see you walk. Okay. There you go. There you go. You're home. You're home. Well, goodness.
We should put them over there.
They're gonna come now. All right. Come on, little guys. The high tide's coming in. There they go. That one's trying. He's on the deck. There you go, buddy. Aww. Oh, there he goes. He's like, I'm home. I'm free. There they go. He's big. They need to switch shells, him and that big one. Yay, y'all are home. I want to keep them, but every time I get a hermit crab, they die. Because they need to live in the ocean. This is their home. They don't want to be in a cage.
Is that a hermit crab?
Yep. He's just a little baby. I think that one may be a sand fiddler. A sand fiddler. Well, no, he's not really burying himself, but normally they're buried under the sand. That one, he's stuck. Are you stuck?
Who's stuck? Who's stuck?
He's okay. He can climb over if he wants to.
I didn't even know where he went.
He's so concerned with drowning. Go ahead, buddy. You're free. And there he goes. See, Jace? They can go in the water if they want. They can climb on the rocks. They can come in the sand if they want. Yay! Look at little Hermie. Oh. He's big. You see how big he is?
The other one all these waves.
Did you guys think of our beach day?
It was amazing.
Amazing. And Jay said good. That's it? That's all I get? JC Poo is good?
Well, I didn't know amazing was the answer.
Well, it can be if it was amazing. My Japer's just having a ball by himself out there. Look at my baby. And Salea's still in there. Oh, these are true water babies.
Are we leaving now? Oh, wait.
In a few minutes. Hit the ball. Let me see ya. Whoa. Yep. Jace is tired. This boy. I don't want to go to school yet. That's all he keeps saying.
I want you to be quiet right now.
We've been here, what, 5 hours? And I don't want to go to school yet.
Be quiet. You be quiet.
That boy.
He's jumping.
I'm a breadstick and I want to go to the party. The party in my tummy.
The only way to get them to eat, but whatever it takes.
Jaden, try it.
You might like it.
It's in the middle.
It's delish. Jaden loves
Say
it.
delicioso.
You're better already. See?
Have y'all seen the babies?
He's right there.
Oh, yeah, whenever.
So Leah.
Go back across this long bridge. Beautiful view though.